Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine as we are revising unit number 1, human body. Today I will tell you about the respiratory system. Respiratory system is a system that involves the exchange of gases in our body. Oxygen gas is taken inside the body and carbon dioxide is taken out of the body. And this exchange takes place in the lungs. The respiratory system is made up of the body parts that include nose, windpipe and lungs. Here you can see the diagram of the respiratory system. The next one is the nervous system. The brain and the nerves form the nervous system, and the nerves in the body work just like a receiver and responder. They receive signals from the sense organs and take the message to the brain. Then brain process these messages and take them back to the organs or the effectors that show responses. Excretory system, as we know, the food we take in the food and waste material is also produced in our body. So these waste products should be removed from the body, as these are harmful if they remain in our body for a long time. There are different organs that help in the excretion of waste materials, like lungs to get rid of the waste air, kidneys get rid of urine, and the skin gets rid of sweating.